Hello, today we will guide you through how to record cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. From there, go to the settings icon in the top right corner. This is where you can manage important accounting lists and set up options for your company file. Once the settings menu opens, click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the section that stores all of the accounts QuickBooks uses to categorize your transactions, including assets, expenses, income, and cost accounts. Since cost of goods sold needs its own account, this is where you will set that up first. On the Chart of Accounts page, click New Account. A form will appear so you can create the account you want to use. In the Account Name field, enter a sample account name for your cost of goods sold account. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the account so it will be easy to recognize later when entering transactions and reviewing reports. Next, click on the Account Type dropdown and select Cost of Goods Sold. This is an important part of the setup because it tells QuickBooks how to classify the account on your financial reports. After that, click Save to create the account. Now that the account has been added, move to the top left area of QuickBooks and hover over Create. From the menu that appears, select Journal Entry. This is where you will record the accounting impact for cost of goods sold. In the first account line, enter the cost of goods sold account you just created. Then enter a sample debit amount. This debit represents the cost being recognized as an expense. Be careful to enter the amount in the correct column, since the debit side is what increases cost of goods sold. On the next line, type Inventory Asset. This creates the other side of the journal entry and reduces the value of inventory by the same amount. In other words, this entry moves the cost from inventory into cost of goods sold, which is the standard accounting treatment when inventory is sold or used. Before saving, take a quick moment to review the entry and make sure the accounts and amounts are correct. The debit and credit sides should balance. When everything looks good, click Save and New. That's it. You've successfully created a cost of goods sold account and recorded it using a journal entry in QuickBooks Online.